In this video, everything you need to know how to remove a crystal light roof glass on Mitsubishi Delica. Better learn from my mistakes I made. I'm going to share all tips and tricks how to do it. Okay, there's a automotive adhesive. Urethane is really thick. As you can see at the front, you cannot actually get it right to the glue from inside, and I'm going to show you all tools, tips and tricks and techniques I use to get crystal light roof glass on Mitsubishi Delica removed. But before you will get started, check that video how to remove the sunshades first. Okay, oscillating tool, we need it for sure. We need a set of scraper knives for that tool. I will link all tools down in the description what I'm using. Utility knife with the extra blades, banana hook knife, we need it as well, and plastic pry bar, and lubricant, penetrating oil, and of course safety goggles. We have quite a bit of work to do, and I will show you everything how I get it done. Alright, first we have to remove rubber weather seal. As you can see, I'm just cutting the edge, and if you're going to install the new window, you have to use a new seal. Video will be pretty much self-explanatory, and I will just point out certain steps and details. Make sure you won't make the same mistakes I made on my first removal, and you can save the glass. Okay, now lubrication. Spray penetrating oil on the rubber seal. It really will help the process. Okay, flat blade scraper tool on oscillating saw. Let's get started. Cutting process takes time, and main key for removing this window is patience. Okay, another scraping cutting blade for the oscillating tool. Spray more penetrating oil, and as you can see, that curve angle we have to get there with a tool and cut the auto glass urethane adhesive. It's really hard to cut it without a proper tool. It's a medium viscosity, and yeah, with the hand tools I think it's almost impossible. As you can see, one part is loose. Alright, let's switch to the flat scraping tools, and we're going outside on the roof. And the hardest part is here, because you cannot get from inside. And remember what happened on that first side when I tried on the right. Okay, let's start cutting carefully because blade won't go all the way in. Let's spray more penetrating oil. More lubrication will make the cutting easy. A little bit more on the blade and a little bit more still there. Okay, let's cut it to the curb and then go at the front. As you can see, I'm trying carefully not to get too far in because it might break. Okay, utility knife, I spray the blade, and let's cut everything what we couldn't get with the oscillating tool. Okay, as you can see, the knife is going now easier because we almost cut it all the way through. More lubrication, of course, and more cutting. You have quite a few blades. I broke like a half a dozen of them. Okay, let's keep cutting, and as I said, patient and take your time. It's very important. Make sure you won't break the tempered glass. And that urethane adhesive has more than 1000 psi of tensile strength. Okay, carefully pry it up a little bit, just enough to get your blade in more deeper. Okay, as you can see, it's almost there. Alright, see, this most difficult part is already off, but we still have some points where it can be attached. Okay, let's go along the bracket and yeah, pry it up. And guys, if this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, leave everything down under the video. Okay, I have a little bit more to cut and pry at the bottom of the crystal light roof glass. As you can see, it's already loose on most of the places. It's just a little bit more at the corner. Let's spray penetrating oil, and yeah, it should come out. It's a little bit more difficult to remove, in my opinion, than a regular windshield, because it has those curvy angles and the shape of the roof. You cannot actually go there with a windshield cutting blade for oscillating, so no, for reciprocating saw. And yeah, let me know what you think will work better, and share your experience how to do it faster. And in reality, it took me probably an hour to get it done. Guys, thank you so much for your time watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Take care. Drive your Delica every day. See you soon. Bye bye.